Have you heard of postbiotics?
Postbiotics?
Yeah. I'm assuming it's something after. I haven't looked into it too much. Have you? It's
Well,
something
it's-
similar. I think something new.
It's actually the waste that comes off that you pass by, and sometimes even those short chain fatty acids that are given off can also be classified as postbiotics.
Okay, and that's something our body naturally makes.
Well, the combination of your microorganisms being fed by the fiber is what creates the short chain fatty acids.
Wow, that's incredible.
So, you've probably heard a lot of buzz around probiotics and prebiotics, right? You know, the good bacteria that lives in your gut and the fibers that feed them. Well, what if I told you there's a new biotic in town and it's making waves in the health world? Yep, they're called postbiotics, and they're here to shake things up. If probiotics are like your gut's pets and prebiotics are the pet food, postbiotics are the end result, the gifts your gut bacteria leave behind after they digest all that yummy fiber you've been feeding them. And guess what? These little bacterial byproducts might just be the key to supercharging your health. Sound intriguing? Let's dive into the wild, wonderful world of postbiotics and see what all the fuss is about. Imagine you're hosting a party for your gut microbes. Those are probiotics. You give them plenty of fiber-rich foods to munch on. That's prebiotics. And when the party's over, your little microbial guests leave behind something special, postbiotics. These are the byproducts of your probiotics, or more specifically, the stuff they produce after feasting on fiber and other goodies in your gut. The International Scientific Association for Probiotics and Prebiotics, ISAP, has a fancy way of defining postbiotics, calling them preparation of inanimate microorganisms and/or their components that confers a health benefit on the host. But let's simplify it. Postbiotics are essentially the cool leftovers of probiotics. Things like short-chain fatty acids, also known as SCFAs, enzymes, peptides, and other compounds that help your body run smoother than ever. One of the most famous SCFAs is butyrate, which plays a crucial role in keeping your gut lining healthy and your digestion on point. But there's more to the short-chain fatty acids family. Say hello to acetate and propionate, two other key players in the postbiotic party. Acetate, which is the most common short-chain fatty acid, helps regulate the pH of your gut, keeping things nice and balanced. Meanwhile, propionate helps prevent fat from building up in your liver. Think of them as the gut's maintenance crew, keeping everything in check and running smoothly. Let's do a quick recap because it can get confusing with all these fancy biotics terms floating around. Probiotics are live bacteria that help maintain the balance of microorganisms in your gut. Prebiotics are the food that probiotics munch on to thrive, mostly fiber from fruits, veggies, and grains. Postbiotics are what's left after the probiotics digest prebiotics. They aren't living bacteria, but they're loaded with compounds that give your body serious health benefits. Still with me? Great. Now let's explore why these tiny gut party leftovers are so darn important. All right, so now you're probably wondering, why should I care about these little bacterial leftovers? Well, the benefits of postbiotics are pretty impressive. They might be tiny, but these little molecules pack a serious punch when it comes to your health. Let's break it down. Number 1. They're gut health superstars. We've already mentioned butyrate, acetate, and propionate, the superhero trio of postbiotics. But did you know that butyrate is like the ultimate personal trainer for your gut lining? It helps keep the cells in your gut strong, which is key for keeping unwanted stuff out of your bloodstream. A strong gut lining means fewer digestive problems, less bloating, and better nutrient absorption. Plus, postbiotics can help maintain a balanced gut microbiome by keeping harmful bacteria in check. It's like having an internal security system that makes sure the good guys stay in charge. Number 2. They supercharge your immune system. Postbiotics don't just hang out in your gut. They have far-reaching effects on your entire body. One of the coolest things they do is help regulate your immune system. By interacting with your immune cells, postbiotics can help your body fight off infections, inflammation, and even chronic diseases. In fact, research suggests that some postbiotics can increase the production of anti-inflammatory compounds in your body, helping you stay healthier in the long run. In a nutshell, postbiotics help train your immune system to be smarter and stronger. Number 3, they help control blood sugar. If you've ever struggled with blood sugar spikes after a big meal, postbiotics might be your new best friend. Studies have shown that certain postbiotics, like propionate, can help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose. This is particularly helpful for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. By keeping your blood sugar levels in check, postbiotics can help prevent those dreaded energy crashes and may even reduce your risk of developing metabolic conditions down the road. 4. They're anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Chronic inflammation is a sneaky villain that's linked to all sorts of health problems: heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, you name it. But the good news is that postbiotics, especially short-chain fatty acids, are known for their ability to reduce inflammation in the body. For example, butyrate has been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural way to keep inflammation in check without needing to rely on medications. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your body's fight against inflammation, postbiotics are a great place to start. So now that we've covered the basics, let's have a little fun with some cool postbiotic facts. They don't need to be alive to work. Unlike probiotics, which have to be kept alive to be effective, postbiotics are stable and don't need refrigeration. That means they're easier to store and don't lose their power as quickly. They can act as natural preservatives. Some postbiotics have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help preserve food by preventing the growth of harmful bacteria. Pretty cool, right? They're found in some fermented foods. Foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut naturally contain postbiotics thanks to the fermentation process. So you might already be getting some postbiotic goodness in your diet without even realizing it. As awesome as postbiotics are, they're not without a few drawbacks. Here's what you should keep in mind. They're still being researched. While postbiotics have shown a ton of promise, the science is still in its early stages. We know they're beneficial, but researchers are still figuring out exactly how much we should be consuming and which types are the most effective. They're not a one-size-fits-all solution. Postbiotics may benefit some people more than others, especially if you already have a healthy gut. If your gut microbiome is in tip-top shape, you might not see as many dramatic changes from postbiotics as someone with digestive issues. Supplements can be pricey. Because postbiotics are still relatively new to the supplement world, they can be on the expensive side. Plus, the quality of supplements can vary, so you'll want to make sure you're choosing a reliable brand. The good news is that you don't have to rely solely on supplements to get your daily dose of postbiotics. In fact, there are plenty of delicious foods that naturally contain postbiotics thanks to fermentation. Here are a few examples. Yogurt. One of the easiest ways to get postbiotics is by enjoying a cup of yogurt. Look for brands that say live and active cultures on the label. Kefir. This tangy, fermented drink is packed with probiotics and, by extension, postbiotics. Kimchi. This spicy Korean staple is loaded with beneficial compounds, including postbiotics. Sauerkraut. Another fermented favorite, sauerkraut is great for boosting your gut health and adding some flavor to your meals. Miso. This savory paste made from fermented soybeans is not only delicious, but also full of gut-friendly postbiotics. So, what's next for postbiotics? It turns out we're only scratching the surface of what these gut-produced compounds can do for our health. As science progresses, researchers are discovering new and exciting roles for postbiotics that go beyond gut health. You've probably heard the phrase, "trust your gut," but did you know that your gut health actually plays a huge role in your mental health? This is called the gut-brain axis, and postbiotics are starting to be recognized as key players in this communication system. Some postbiotics, like short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate, have shown promise in supporting mental health by reducing inflammation in the brain and improving mood. A 2021 study published in the journal Psychosomatic Medicine found a correlation between higher butyrate levels and reduced symptoms of depression. Butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid, supports mental health by promoting the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, also known as BDNF, and reducing neuroinflammation. While further research is necessary, postbiotics like butyrate show promise for future mental health treatments and overall well-being. So the next time you're feeling down, consider a gut-healthy diet rich in postbiotics to help lift your spirits. Can postbiotics help you achieve glowing skin? Some researchers certainly think so. Certain postbiotics can reduce inflammation and balance the skin's microbiome, potentially preventing acne and improving overall skin health. Pure Culture, a beauty company, highlights that postbiotics, such as heat-inactivated lactobacillus, can enhance the skin's natural defenses and improve its overall appearance. They emphasize that postbiotics can promote skin hydration and reduce inflammation, making them a valuable addition to skincare routines. So, the next time you're looking to boost your skin health, consider incorporating postbiotics into your skincare routine for a natural glow. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts, listen up. Postbiotics could become your new secret weapon for boosting performance and speeding up recovery. Postbiotics, especially acetate and butyrate, have been found to enhance muscle recovery and reduce inflammation after intense exercise. Several studies are highlighting that postbiotic supplementation can improve muscle recovery after high-intensity exercise by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This suggests that postbiotics might one day become a key component of sports nutrition programs, helping athletes recover faster after tough workouts and maintain peak condition. One of the most promising areas of research is how postbiotics could help prevent or even treat certain cancers. While we're still in the early stages, some studies have shown that postbiotics can have anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. For example, butyrate has been found to promote apoptosis, otherwise known as the natural death of harmful cells in colon cancer, which is groundbreaking news. A 2023 study published in Frontier in Microbiology found that butyrate could inhibit the growth of colorectal cancer cells and reduce the likelihood of cancer spreading to other parts of the body. This research is still developing, but it offers a promising glimpse into how postbiotics might one day be part of cancer prevention or treatment strategies. Postbiotics are like little superheroes for your immune system. They help your body fight off infections and stay healthy by boosting good bacteria in your gut. A 2023 study titled Involvement of Probiotics and Postbiotics in the Immune System Modulation, published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, found that postbiotics can kickstart your immune cells and produce helpful molecules like IL-10, which calms inflammation, and TNF-A, which helps fight infections. Postbiotics from lactobacillus strains, which is a type of friendly bacteria, can also lower bad inflammation signals like IL-6, which is a marker that tells your body there's inflammation. By reducing these signals, postbiotics help keep inflammation in check and boost your body's antioxidant defenses. This means they help reduce harmful inflammation and protect your cells from damage. With everyone focusing on immune health these days, postbiotics might just be the next big thing to keep you feeling great. In the world of health and wellness, postbiotics are quickly becoming the new superstars, and it's easy to see why. Not only do they offer impressive benefits for gut health, but they're also showing potential in areas like mental health, skin care, athletic performance, cancer prevention, and immune system support. According to Forbes, postbiotics play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut by supporting the microbiome, which is essential for overall health. They help balance the good and bad bacteria in your gut, leading to better digestion, stronger immunity, and even improved mood. With so many exciting discoveries on the horizon, postbiotics could soon be a must-have in your daily wellness routine. Whether you're enjoying them through fermented foods or considering a postbiotic supplement, these powerful microbial byproducts are proving they're much more than just leftovers. As science continues to uncover their secrets, one thing is clear: postbiotics are here to stay, and their future looks incredibly bright.